What is going on, everybody? It is the 30th of May, 9 at night, and today we're going to be trying out this Cattaraugus Cutlery Company razor. It's my very first ever 7/8 razor, so I want to enjoy it. If you're interested in the gear that I'm using, that is in the description. There's a little link to my blog as well. I only have 2 posts there, but there's some resources for other people in the space, YouTubers that I mentioned. And that's just a little side project I was working on because it's fun. Here is the lather. I already have pre-shave oil. I want to finish the pre-shave oil so I can do my poor man's. I don't know if you guys feel the same way, but sometimes you just want to rush to finish a product that you have so you can try something new. I have so much soap here now. I'm happy with that. Let me show off the razor. Here it is. This was honed on a Slate, the Black Shadow with slurry. This is a hollow ground. It has a back beveled spine. And it kind of looks like a Bismarck, I feel like, the way they made it. Anyways, it's a 7/8. It's fun. All right. Wow, that edge is effortless. Wow. Pretty cool edge, man. Before anybody leaves the video or I start getting quiet, things I've been watching recently. Martin Test Shaves, he's has a trip for Morocco. He's gonna be meeting his girlfriend. That's pretty cool. I find it funny, he always says he's going with 2 female bodyguards. And my good friend Derek, the Cajun Blade, he made a shaving video. I believe he uploaded that today. And I love when he uploads his shaving videos because he is very consistent in the way that he shaves, and that's something that I try to replicate in my shaving. But obviously, he has way more experience than me. Hope I'm not missing anybody. Oh yeah, long haul tanker. He put up a video. I think he did a head shave as well. And I wasn't just watching Long Haul Tanker's last video. I actually went back to his first ever video he put, because he did his 300 video celebration. So that's pretty awesome. I hope you do 300 more and then 600 more after that. But anyways, I went back to your first video and I was looking at it. His channel has grown a lot more now. But something that I find interesting, and he mentions it on his first video, he says, I'm just shaving the way you guys shave at home, but I'm just doing it in the road. And it's hard, man. It's a lot less comfortable. All right, I'm just gonna go straight against the grain now. Very similar to a 6/8, just better. Absolutely better. I'm gonna get hooked on bigger razors, man. Speaking with Greg in the comment section, Greg Gallant. See, here's the thing. For you guys, you might see it differently, but this is my left hand, right side. I always have trouble on this side. On my left side of the face with my right hand, no problem. I think this is something Martin Test Shaves does. I think he looks down and the angle. I think it's smart. It's inspired by Martin, I think. If I'm doing it wrong, he can correct me. But that looks good. Feels good. Switching up my lathering system, lather collection system down here, guys. Sorry about that. Anyways, Greg Gallant. Speaking with him about tape, note tape, micro beveling. And I can relate a lot with what he says because he knows a lot about knives, and knives is what I like. Fool's pass? No. Let's not have a horrible shave today. We're creating memories with the 7/8 razor. And this is what it's all about, taking your time, man. It's at night, I'm enjoying myself, trying out the 7/8 racer. I'll get a close-up here for you guys. I like the 7/8. I like them a lot. I swear to God, one of the best edges I've made right here. And I don't know if it's just me, but a trend is that I'm noticing when I'm honing drinking, I swear to God, my edges are better, man. And I know people say something along those lines, but I'm telling you, man, if you drink bourbon, tequila, gin, whatever, wine, beer, your edges are gonna come out better. Swear to God. It's like I'm entering flow state. And there you have it. There is the razor again. So this razor is going into the rotation. Let's clean our face. Please excuse the sink. And straight into witch's hazel. I've been doing a few things to get more comfortable shaves. I've been stropping my razors after I use them. So I do the 100 count or whatever. It's more like 60 to 70 these days. And then I put it, and when I'm gonna use it, I shave. And I think Martin talks about this, letting the edge rest a bit. I'm not saying this is not scientific or anything for me, what I'm saying. I've just heard him say it and I've been doing it. Another thing I've been doing is warm water on my face, towel, making sure my pores are open, and the lather is also a big part. I try to have some bubbles in there. I make a lot now. I used to make like almost nothing. The thicker lather kind of helps me, I feel like. Light pressure, and yeah, that's been it. If I do this with a cuticle edges have been the most comfortable for me. I don't know what it is. I don't know if it's placebo effect or because everybody says it so. But for me, it's working. So, but yeah, I just go straight into the witch's hazel. The Bill recommended this, and also Eric. So yeah, and that's it, guys. Also, I have this L-Octane post-shave aftershave balm, and this is expensive, by the way, but every so often I take it. It smells really good. And I'm good to go. All right, guys.